Hey guys, I'm Megan. Here's a picture of Brian. And yeah, cue the intro. So you guys might have noticed there's something missing here. Someone. Brian is actually at work. I have an off day today, so I decided I'm gonna try and make something that might give him food poisoning. We'll see what happens and basically just surprise him with it because I can. So today I am making bobotie. I've never made it before. I was looking over a couple of recipes and I'm gonna live on Enos and Reni's for the next week again because everything's just spicy and heartburn pretty much. I don't know if Brian likes bobotie. I don't know how much he's eaten it, but we're gonna see what happens. So yeah, here's the rest of it. So the first set of ingredients you'll need is basically normal mince, an onion and garlic. It can be crushed garlic or it can be cloves, it's whatever you guys have. Okay, so second step is that you're gonna need a lot of spices. This is where the heartburn begins. You're gonna need medium curry powder, turmeric, mixed herbs, cayenne pepper and ground ginger. Okay, so for the next step you're gonna need an apple, some bread, preferably white bread, but this is what we have, and some milk. Then for the last step you're gonna need baking powder, some white vinegar, salt, apricot jam or fruit chutney, and some beef stock in whatever form you can get it in. Okay, so I lied. That was the first part of the recipe. So basically bobotie is meat, very spicy meat, with a layer on top. And we still need all the ingredients for the layer on top, so bear with. So for the topping you only need 3 ingredients. You're gonna need milk, eggs and salt. If you want to add a little bit extra to the topping, you can add chopped up cashew nuts, I think, and bay or lemon leaves. But I'm not doing that, I'm just gonna keep it plain and simple for now. Okay guys, so the first step would be to chop up your onion and add it to a pan with a little bit of oil. Next step is to add some of your garlic. We like garlic, so I'm gonna add too much. Here we go. Kind of mix these together. Okay, so next step would be to add your minced or ground beef to this and just mix everything in a little. So for the next step we're adding all the heartburn, meaning all the spices. That's gonna be 2 teaspoons of medium curry powder. You can go hotter, but I'm not doing that to myself. Then you're gonna need about a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. You're gonna need a 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger. Then you're gonna need another 1/4 teaspoon of ground mixed herbs. And then lastly, just a pinch of cayenne pepper. I'm gonna say that's a pinch because I don't want more. And then we're just gonna mix everything in. Okay, so I basically left this for 5 minutes. You just need to cook it until all the mince is brown. And then it's next step, we're gonna add some apple. The apple was grated, that's why it looks like mush. And I'm just gonna mix this in here and let it go for another 5 minutes. Okay, so this is smelling really nice, so I'm kind of paranoid that I made it wrong because it doesn't smell too spicy. But this is pretty much where you want it after you added the apple. You can add some extra peppers if you want to, but that's completely up to you guys. So the next step would be to add the bread and milk together in a separate bowl until it's mushy, and add this in there. Hopefully it dissolves. Okay, so the final step for the meat is here. So you're gonna throw 1/2 teaspoon of salt in, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of jam or chutney, depending what you have or what you want to put in there, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, and lastly a tablespoon of beef stock. It can be powder, it can be the cubes like this, but yeah, as long as it's the right amount, you have to work it out with taste. This is smelling really good. I'm disturbed by it. I was anticipating that I'm gonna hate this. So I'm just gonna mix everything together and then we're gonna add it to our oven dish. So I just added the meat section of this to the oven dish. Now we're just basically gonna mix the egg and the milk and salt together and throw it over this. So we're finally at the last step. I'm just gonna add the milk and egg mixture on top of here. And then we're gonna pop it in the oven for like half an hour. So I'll show you when it's ready. So while the food's in the oven, I'm gonna make some rice as well. Usually serve bobotie with like yellow rice. I'm gonna see if I can figure out how to make that. Otherwise regular rice works as well. I'm gonna clean up this place. But yeah, when it's done I'll show you guys. Hopefully Brian will be here by that time and we can do the big reveal. I really hope he likes it because so far I'm not like fearing heartburn. This is usually what I'm fearing with spicy food. And we do way too many videos with spicy food and then I die for a week. So fingers crossed. The moment of truth is here. This smells really good and it looks really good. And I'm impressed with myself. Like I can't wait for Brian to see this. I hope it just tastes as like good as it smells and looks, because it's gonna suck if it doesn't, because this was a lot of effort but not a lot of effort, if you guys know what I mean. Look who's finally arrived!
Hi guys, I'm back from work.
He has no idea what's going on, he's so confused. So I made food today.
Well, that's good because I'm hungry.
There's dinner.
It's been a long day.
So this is what you're getting, like a nice bowl of rice. No, that is not it.
Water.
And water. I'm missing. So I'm gonna take the food out of the oven and we're like gonna see if he actually reacts to it or not. It's been a long day.
Is it something meaty at least?
It's meaty.
Yes.
Meaty. Okay.
Is it that weird meatballs we saw on...
Please.
What's it, lasagna?
Bobotie.
Bobotie.
Yes.
A second. This.
It does look like lasagna, but sniff it.
My nose is closed.
Yeah, is your nose working? Okay, we're gonna have him taste this. I really hope I cooked this right because I've never made this before.
It smells yummy, it looks yummy, so...
I wasn't sure if Brian was gonna like it or not because I remember there's something he doesn't like, but I can't remember what.
No, it's what's that thing?
Biryani.
Biryani, I don't like biryani that much.
I'm not sure what biryani is, but yeah. Okay, so. Boom. It's like a quarter of it. But this is really just to see how he reacts to it.
You guys taste this. I'm really hungry.
That will help with the taste. I was so worried about the spices now. I feel I could have like thrown more in, like I thought I could. Like he's like eating everything and saying nothing, so I'm assuming it's fine.
Yeah, it tastes good. So like, I'm not a connoisseur of this, but it tastes really good.
I like it. This is not heartburn, so I'm happy.
No, but it is good.
He's the one that's gonna edit this video. So he's gonna like have to do like a heartburn montage or something, because that's all I went on about.
No, I think it's perfect for me.
Yeah, it's not too hot. Like you can add like a little bit more spice, but I feel like it's the right amount for 2 people as well.
I can eat that whole thing, I think.
That's why I made rice.
Just eating, I'm not saying much.
Yeah, I'm waiting for like a response. And he's just like, he's gonna like start eating my piece. No way. This is mine.
I think Megan definitely outdid herself today. I'm gonna eat this whole thing while I watch series and relax a little bit.
I'm gonna miss more.
Yeah, I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Food kisses.
So that was delicious. I actually finished that piece also.
Yeah, just gonna like finish the video so that he can eat. But yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed that one. I'm definitely gonna do this again when I'm off. Gonna make biryani next. Yeah, I'm gonna think of something.
And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and yeah, comment below. We really enjoy the comments.
Yeah, if there's something you would like me to torture him with for dinner, please let me know. I'll do it.
Or if our cars are dirty.
This car is dirty. It was winter and I park it outside.
I can't judge. My bucky is always dirty.
Yeah.
And my car is also even worse. So
I have a cleaner car here. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye. Bye.